Yeah, so shout out to the #1 subscriber, how to start the video that way. Yes, my people, so I'm back again, Jamaica Don't Good Again TV. As you see, here we have a murder of 2 women in New Jersey, Yeah, so I'm going to make you see the video and let you hear my thoughts after that. Yes, my people. Big up on yourself and thanks for subscribing.
Now to a grisly discovery in New Jersey. 2 women found dead at a popular restaurant. And police are now looking into whether their deaths are connected to a man found dead at a car rental office. New Jersey reporter Anthony Johnson is live in Union with the story. Anthony.
Yeah, we understand that that person was found inside of a vehicle inside of this Enterprise location, actually in the back parking lot area. That discovery happened on Monday, and then the bodies of those 2 women were both discovered yesterday. Now, authorities are still trying to find out the motive for the 3 deaths that may all be connected. The bodies of 2 women were discovered inside of the K&K Jamaican restaurant yesterday afternoon in Hillside. The location is owned by the man who was found in the car behind the auto rental location here in Union. The car pulled into the lot in the middle of the night, and when police arrived, they found the man's body inside. That man did own the K&K restaurant. The family lived right across the street, and a neighbor described them as being peaceful.
I've seen them often, came here often. They were very good people. Very nice family. If kids always out here playing and stuff, and they always come in the store. I am very surprised. And that's
so yeah, mama people, that was it. They haven't released the names of the victims yet, so we don't know what to say, but it's really sad. But I'm going to show you something else, Yeah. Just pull off a robbery.
Guy Fox, 70+ miles an hour, still in the 60s.
And Rick, as we look closer into him, it appears that this guy is dancing to the music that he has, has his windshield wipers going, throwing stuff out the window, giving the middle finger to law enforcement, taunting them. I mean, we never want to make assumptions, but, we've been joined so many times during these pursuits by Dennis Zine, who's a police specialist, and it's been on the city council. And when you look at the behavior of this suspect, you get the sense that he probably has interacted with law enforcement at some point in his career and may be on a bit of a joyride right now.
So here you see more people, the truck man, time him and stop him here, see him drive. Yes, so the driver had a joyride for about 2 hours, giving the police chase, Yeah, they could not catch him, This guy was moving like Fast and the Furious. Yeah. So here you see this truck man stop right in front of him and lock him so that the police could catch him, I must commend him on his job. Well done. So there's
We watched as police released the female from custody and let her walk away. And in a bizarre moment, she held what can only be described as an impromptu press conference with the crowd of onlookers.
I'm a trooper, man.
The woman told us her name is Roxy, but she goes by Maserati Gold. She told us the pursuit driver is a friend from Bakersfield who picked her up in Temecula.
We're hanging out, and then he said that he wanted to help his friend in LA that she had got shot. So I said, hey, I'm down the road. It's all good. We'll go help your friend. They try to chase us. It just doesn't really work out well.
Police said he's wanted for murder. Did you know that?
He's wanted for murder. Didn't know that. But it didn't matter because it might have been self-defense. Did you ask that? Did they ask that? Did they ask if it was self-defense, or did they just say, it's murder?
What did you think when that big rig crashed into you guys?
We're in a truck. Hopefully a truck versus another truck will be okay. I don't know. I didn't really expect to get hit by a truck.
while the big rig driver could be seen talking to police, and we were able to catch up with him.
It's instinct for me. It's natural for me.
His name is Ahmed Shaban. He says he knew the suspect was wanted for murder and felt he had to take him out with his massive big rig.
I was waiting for him. I was trying to see where he's at exactly so I can pinpoint him, and then I blocked him. I just thought to get him off the street because if they've been behind him for that long and they didn't stop him, I have the power.
Yeah, so this been going on for a good while, you know? Yeah, so we have to be more careful out there, you know, people? Yeah, it's not like one time, you know? People are really hungry. Yeah, man.
Can you please get my coat for me?
And another boy, you know?
But you're doing good.
No,
I'm not good. I'm doing good.
I bet you may be quiet.
Can I get my coat, please?
No.
Like,
Okay.
No. Can you get your
just text me and
office?
said, come over here, sit there, and then
No.
come there.
Yo, I'm not. No, he's gonna come down here. I'm he's gonna come down here. What you moving? No, she giving me. I got pee again.
Oh, well, you just got
No, Mom, please let me go pee.
Nope.
Let me pee. All right, please. Oh, let me take my. Oh my God, she put him over me. Did you stab my bone? You sure? You promise you ain't gonna. Oh, girl, hold on.
It's not even funny, because I'm not late. I'm not even late. I'm about to chill right up in here.
I can come back right here. You was helping me, please.
I see. That's
You was
volume,
helping
bro.
me. I need your pockets. I'm please do never come
Your
and
birthday
take it.
tomorrow.
Okay, it's my birthday tomorrow. You really trying to fight me again.
I do, because it's
You
going
tryna
on
fight
you.
me?
I bet you shut up. I bet you better shut up.
Wait,
All that mouth.
Yeah, okay, I got mouth, okay,
Okay, you too big for
but this
that.
is my body, okay? This is not my mouth over there.
All right. I bet you better be quiet now.
Can I please get my coin, my man?
No, you ain't get nothing. The cop bite your
No.
then you gonna be
No, because you
straight.
keep kicking my stuff.
Yes, my people, I want to thank you very much for watching, you know? Please, me I beg you, make sure to subscribe, you know? Yeah, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. And guidance and protection. Watching yourself out there.